Oh, now he's eating them.
What do you think? Don't forget what you're doing. Malachi taught him what to do.
Oh my gosh, Silas is so tall.
I know.
Look how tall he is.
Yeah.
They're so funny. Oh, Silas. They're fighting. Oh, Silas got it. Malachi's like, what? Took my last one.
Not too fancy. Hi. Does yummy? Want more? Should I give him a little bit more?
Yeah, you can.
A couple more? You can eat the table? Yummy, yummy.
You're so funny.
Malachi has the next one lined up in the other hand. That's so cute. We're eating so fast. It's so cute.
You're not gonna take all my
You
Cheerios.
guys have a Cheerio eating contest.
Don't eat too fast, Malachi. Why don't you give one to Silas? Oh, he can just reach right over there and take it. His arms are so long. Malachi can't do that. He has to walk all the way around. No more. Actually, there's one on the ground. Now what?
Oh, don't let go. Where's more? Where's more?
So cute.
Hi. Hi, babies. Gonna dance? And look that I dropped.
Thanks. Malachi's gonna get down and go and get you.
Like the red buttons on my feet. So I always like pushes them like it's a red button.
Really?
He's like, what's that? Hi. Did I take your chair? Oh, down you went.
Okay. Oh, I get on here. All right.
Where are you going, Silas? See, he'll like do this. He'll like get information of that.
He's totally gonna start crawling.
Yep. Like he'll do that. So that's like a teeny bit of crawling.
Yeah,
where it needs to go.
Yeah.
He just doesn't like cruise. Oh, Silas.